Hey you guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Kiddiepedia review. So here I am on the Kiddiepedia sales page. That's the newest launch by Nelson Long. Okay, this vendor here. Guys, this product has just gone live, so today on the 7th of June. Here I have the members area, so I'll show you around, give you an overview. Plus, I have, guys, some amazing bonuses, which like custom made, done by me. As you know, I go thoroughly through the products. And after having been doing affiliate marketing and going through tons of products in depth, okay, I do check them out. Inside out, almost. I understand, okay, what you need to make money with the product. Now, in case of this product, as much as I totally love it, and that's why, because I love it so much, I have like faith in the potential of making money with this product. It's insane, okay, if you know how to monetize it. Now, I happen to know pretty well how to monetize it because, again, after having gone through so many training courses, I have figured out a beautiful way of making money with this product, which is a PLR product. Guys, a set of 100 books in different niches niches, sort of like categories for children. Again, I'll show you around, so I'll download. I have downloaded some of them, so I'll show you what formats you get the product in, so in both, okay, PDF and Microsoft Word, so which is amazing for customization, editing. And the products, the books, PLR books for children, okay, are totally stunning, filled with beautiful, shockingly beautiful illustrations, which are super important for children, okay. In case of children's books, the illustrations are the key. And yeah, as I said, I have prepared some custom-made bonuses, guys. I'll talk more, maybe I'll mention the bonuses now. Not nice, but now. Now, this how to monetize Kiddiepedia with Draft to Digital is a platform, guys, which I have learned about, and I have like really done so much research before also putting these bonuses together for you, that, you know, just to provide as much value as I can. And I've done it in such a way as if I was publishing the book, okay. So I created a Draft to Digital account myself. I'll need it anyway because, you know, I'll help my daughter publish her book once it's ready. She's writing a book. Okay, so I'll be using these platforms myself. So I did familiarize myself in like super deep, okay? And the other platform, which I'll give you access to the other bonus, okay, bonus number 2, it's a tutorial, okay? These are tutorials, guys, that I have, you know, published. I haven't published, I put on my YouTube channel as unlisted, as you can see. This is number 1. So these are custom made tutorials to this specific launch. As you can see, I am referring to Kiddiepedia. I go into the product. I take the book, okay, from Kiddiepedia. As you can see, I'm going through the bonus. Then I go to Draft to Digital, and I'm showing you how I am publishing this. You know, everything fully covered, step by step. This is a 27 minutes long tutorial, guys, which will allow you to make money with this product, because what you have access to 100 PLR products in children niche, which is super popular. You know, they will be selling always. They will be always in demand as long as we have children. Okay, but PLR, you can do with them whatever you can. You possibly, sky's the limit. Imagination is the limit. Whatever you want, you can do with them. But you need to know how to make money with them. You need to know how to monetize them. That's why my tutorials are so like, showing you actionable steps. And the platform, so the Draft to Digital, guys, is like there's a middleman. It allows you to distribute the book that you publish, and it only takes 10% of your profits. Okay, so it's very, very cost effective. It's very, very beneficial for you to take advantage of the Draft to Digital, because it allows you to distribute your books across well over 10 different outlets, like book outlets, stores, including Amazon and other, Apple, okay, which is beautiful. Now, what I have done also, I have prepared another tutorial which you will get access to if you purchase OTO number 1. I'll go through the funnel. We have the funnel here, okay, there will be a few upsells. So if you purchase this upsell number 1 called Kiddiepedia expansion, I will also give you access to another bonus tutorial which I have prepared myself. I have put a lot of time and effort into putting these bonuses together, guys. Trust me, I've been working on it for the last 4 hours. And yeah, with the purchase of OTO number 1, I'm gonna give you access to how to monetize Kiddiepedia with Google Play Store. A very unsaturated, it doesn't even compare to Amazon. Unsaturated platform which gives you access to over 3 billion users, Android users, right? People don't think about Google Play Store in terms of publishing books, and it's a shame. I mean, for you it's good because it's so unsaturated. Plus you can charge higher prices on Google Play Store than you would on Amazon, you know, when you self-publish. And also if you purchase OTO number 1, and by the way, this is the second tutorial, so here you see I'm covering a Google Play Store platform here, and also I'm showing you step by step how to publish it. I even use you know, Gemini Advanced to create text, to create description for my, you know, to do the whole setup. So follow my steps and you will be good to go. Again, custom-made bonus specifically to go hand in hand with Kiddiepedia, with this product, okay? So I will also, because I have published actually a book during this tutorial on Google Play Store, and once it's published, once it has gone live, I will also be able to do, like, with one click to create an audiobook. So once I have, you know, once my book has gone live on Google Play Store, I will then go ahead and create, and I'll add to this bonus delivery page. I'll create another tutorial, quick one, because it's fast, 10 minutes max, on how to publish your book as an audiobook as well on Google Play Store. And also, as you can see, with the front end alone, I give you access to 3 additional bonuses, very like valuable PLR products, how to various ways of getting traffic, free traffic, how to sell on Etsy, how to create images on Midjourney should you feel like you want to create a different book cover, because it would be good to customize these books, okay? And now let me go to the product and let me show, you know, you can download them all from the members area, or I would recommend by just downloading individually. So as you can see, these are the sort of categories, niches you have. Environmental awareness, financial literacy, health and wellness, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and critical thinking. These are all children books, okay? So teaching children valuable, well, I wouldn't say skills, I don't know, delivering valuable lessons. I love this, like critical thinking, entrepreneurship, so really like creating a generation of entrepreneurs, right? That's what I teach my daughter as well, you know. I'm one of the very few parents who tell the child not to take the school seriously, so to speak. I mean, I say to my daughter, you know, a school is a tool, you know, never stress about school. It's the dumbest thing you can do, okay? Stress about school. I mean, like, use it as a tool. Use it to have fun with your friends. Use it to learn how to write, how to you know, like maths and stuff like that, logical thinking. But this, like most of the schools don't teach critical thinking. So that's why I like keep telling my daughter, like, you know, a lot of things you will learn will be lies. I mean, like, you know, there's so much I disagree with when I go through the curriculum, but never mind that. It's like, you know, study it, but then like use your own brain, like apply critical thinking and decide for yourself. So yeah, I mean, like she's writing a book now. I'm talking about my daughter. Anyhow, you know, parents love the children, right? So these are the categories, guys, you have here, like animal rescuers, tiny chefs, beautiful, beautiful, you know, categories, topics, right? Heroes of history, caring for our community, a lot about environment, how to, you know, take care of our devastated planet. So this is that. And once you've downloaded them, let me just go to my downloads, because I did download quite a few. Sorry, let me just go here. So let me show you what you will have. You will have a lot, okay? So let me show you the example of the animal rescuers. So you will obviously have to unzip them and, I mean, extract all. So you have all of the images here. Okay, so let me give you an example, show you an example. So stunning images. And I'll show you where you have the images. There's quite a few images. There's a nice like table of content. You have the outline here, which I used when I was like, I use in conjunction with Gemini Advanced to create like tags for me. So this is like a summary of the book you have here in like, it opens up in a notepad. So I just took it and pasted into, say, ChatGPT or Gemini Advanced, and I asked it, you know, when I was preparing these tutorials for you, to create a description for my Google Play Store. Okay, so this is how you can do, and I show you. You can do yourself, but plus I show you in my tutorials how I've done that. Now, going back to the product. So you have it in the Word, Microsoft Word format. So this is great for editing, customization, and all of that, right? Okay, so you have it here. There you go. And then you also have it as a PDF, so ready to use. So let me show you what the book looks like. And now the books will be quite lengthy as well, so it's like not some short stories, serious books you can charge good money for. So this one, for example, is 34 pages. So you see, you have the table of content, and then each chapter, before each chapter, there's an image to it. So I don't know, maybe it's okay, the chapter is below the picture, so which is nice. So you have the book here, I mean the content, and then there's another chapter, a beautiful image to it, and that's what it's like, guys. So really amazing product. That's why I got so excited that my spirit of generosity went over the moon, and I created like powerful bonuses, guys, to really help you make good money with it. So yeah, and you have the images here, all of the images. So let me just show you. Yeah, you have all you need, okay, for customization, for like doing whatever you want with this product pretty much. So it's up to you how you're gonna make money with it. I will empower you big time with my tutorials. So guys, I'm in Draft to Digital, and then this Google Play Store are their platforms, okay, for selling them. Plus, I also do believe that Etsy, and with this, training course here on Etsy, I believe this is a great platform to sell ebooks for children on. A great platform to, make money with this product. Guys, so that's that, okay? I'm not going to cover the sales page. I mean, like, nice, sweet, okay? I'm just gonna say it's $17.70 for now, the front end, and here we have the funnel. So let me quickly take you through the funnel. There will be an inline offer, Kiddiepedia Complete, $9.99. Kiddiepedia Expansion, if you pick it up for $47, and there will be an inline offer, so that's OTO number 1 for $9.97. So the OTO number 1 is $47 and like a bump offer on this one, okay? So if you pick up, you don't have to pick up the Kiddiepedia Expansion Complete, the inline offer for me to give you access to this, so to 2 additional bonuses. Remember, there's another training coming, which I'll prepare once my book goes live, okay? I'm gonna show you how to turn that book into an audiobook with 1 click. Right, so, and then we'll have, what else? Let's see. Kiddo Canvas Combo for $37, that's OTO number 1. Children ebook combo. So I would say that, and a few more upsells up to this children ebook combo is very, very congruent with the front offer, all about books for children. So yeah, amazing value, guys. Loving this offer. Go grab it via the link below my review, and remember, like, you know, you're gonna be so powerful with my bonus tutorials. Just do it. Just set and forget. I show you the process on how to make money with these books. Follow the steps, okay? Set it up, set and forget, and turn it into, I'm laughing because my tongue is getting twisted. Why? Because I've already been talking so much, you know, in these tutorials that I prepared for you, so I'm kind of tired. But anyhow, yeah, set and forget, and it's gonna be your passive income, a source of passive income for the years to come. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and Kiddiepedia available from already. It's gone live, so get the link below my review, and, you know, make money with it. Make money with it. That's what we want to do. That's why I prepared those bonuses, so you can actually, you know, feel empowered to make money, to know how to make money, not just get it and allow it to collect digital dust, you know? So what's the point of buying a product, like an online product, if you don't make money? All right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.